Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a video on Artlist, step by step. Artlist is not only for music and stock footage anymore. It now includes AI video tools, image to video, text to video, voiceover, music, sound effects, and stock assets in one place. Let's start. First, go to Artlist and log into your account. After logging in, go to the AI Toolkit or AI Video Generator section. This is where you can create videos using text prompts, images, or existing footage. Now choose the type of video you want to create. You can create text to video, image to video, video to video. For beginners, text to video is the easiest option. Artlist also supports image to video and video to video workflows. Next, choose an AI video model. Different models can create different styles, motion, and quality. Choose the one that fits your video idea. For example, if you want a cinematic video, choose a model that supports realistic motion and higher resolution. Now write your video prompt. Example: cinematic shot of a coffee cup on a wooden table, morning sunlight, soft camera movement, realistic style, warm mood. Keep your prompt clear. Mention subject, location, style, camera movement, mood, lighting. The better your prompt, the better your result. Now set your video options. Choose aspect ratio, duration, resolution, start frame or end frame if available. Artlist's AI video workflow allows users to adjust settings like duration, aspect ratio, and resolution before generating. Use 16:9 for YouTube videos. Use 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now click Generate. Artlist will create the video based on your prompt and settings. After the result is ready, preview it carefully. Check the motion, lighting, subject, and overall quality. If the video does not look right, do not stop there. Edit your prompt and generate again. Add more details like slow camera push-in, realistic hands, clean background, no text on screen, natural lighting. Artlist recommends experimenting and refining prompts to improve AI video results. Once the video looks good, you can make it stronger with music and sound effects. Go to the Artlist Music or SFX library. Search for music that matches your video mood. For example, cinematic, corporate, emotional, travel, technology. Then download or add the track to your editing workflow. If your video needs narration, you can use Artlist's AI voice generator. Paste your script, choose a voice, adjust tone or pacing, and generate the voiceover. Artlist supports text-to-voice and voice customization. Finally, download your AI video, music, voiceover, and sound effects. Then edit everything in your video editor, such as CapCut, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Add captions, transitions, logo, and final export settings. That's how you create a video on Artlist, step by step. Start with a simple prompt, generate your first video, refine the result, then add music, sound effects, and voiceover to make it complete. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your next tutorial request.